We have a tendency to think that facilitating a virtual workshop, that is, a workshop where the facilitator and participants are collaborating from different locations using virtual platforms, means that we have to be 100% digital 100% of the workshop. That's 100% untrue. Even though we're communicating virtually, we're all still in physical environments with physical objects surrounding us, and we can use that fact to our advantage to increase engagement, which is a pretty big challenge in virtual workshops. So, here are 3 ways to break the virtual barrier in remote workshops. 1. Incorporate tangible objects. Just because the workshop is virtual doesn't mean all the materials have to be. Asking people to engage with tangible objects in their own spaces provokes participation and personalizes the experience. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Have people sketch with a physical marker and then upload those sketches to a shared virtual space to discuss. Have people grab a physical object from their space and hold it up to the camera in response to prompts. That grab and share method can be a lighthearted yet on-topic method for getting people moving and physically engaged. 2, send people to different spaces. In physical workshops, we might ask people to move around the room for various reasons to increase engagement. Go to the whiteboard, move into small groups, post something on the back wall. We can't really do that in virtual workshops, but we can mimic the effect of going to different spaces to get the same benefits. Go to breakout rooms, move to the Miro board, go find a picture on the internet that represents your mood. This approach shifts the monotony of what can become a kind of stale environment when everyone is just staring at the same virtual scene for too long. 3, vary your contribution methods. If you're used to leading a workshop by just asking questions and then waiting for people to unmute to contribute, switch it up. Initiate a chat waterfall where people quickly and simultaneously put responses into the chat. Ask people to write down a word on a sticky note and then hold it up to the camera in response to questions. Don't just rely on one method. It's boring, and also, some people might be more or less comfortable with certain methods, meaning you could bias the perspectives being shared toward a certain type of participant if you're relying only on one method. Truth be told, virtual sessions can be exhausting and boring when there's no thought or effort put into making them effective. Get creative and break the virtual barrier of remote workshops by incorporating tangible objects, sending people out to different virtual spaces, and varying the methods for how people contribute to the discussion.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nnGroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our virtual UX conferences that offer live, hands-on UX training.